be. Yan, sobrang daling i-blend. Grabe, ang ganda pa. Ito naman siya sa eyelids, be. Grabe, sobrang daling i-blend. Ang ganda. Ano nga yung final look, be?
Hi, I'm Trisha from The Ordinary, and this is our glycolic acid 7% toning solution. This exfoliating formula helps improve skin clarity, balance uneven skin tone, and correct texture over time. It does so through the inclusion of a 7% concentration of the alpha-hydroxy acid, glycolic acid, an exfoliating acid which can help weaken bonds between dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It also contains Tasmanian pepperberry extract, which gives it its characteristic hue. To use, apply once daily, ideally in the evening, as part of your treat step. After cleansing, apply to a cotton pad and sweep across the face and neck. And don't forget to use sun protection during the day.
First time kong makatry ng transfer-proof na bullet lipstick. Tingnan nyo naman, super red yan, pero walang transfer sa tissue. Tapos multi-use na din siya. Pwede siya sa lips, sa cheeks, at sa eyelids. Hoy! Another solid product na naman yung nakita natin. Yes, mga be, it is the O2O Lock Color Matte Lipstick. Grabe din ang packaging nito. Tingnan nyo naman, be, very travel-friendly. Hindi talaga siya mabubuksan ng basta-basta lang. This is in the shade M12, and ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. Sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, sobrang sulit na nito kasi magagamit nyo siya as your lipstick. Ayan, super creamy. Pwede din siyang pang-blush. Grabe naman yan. Tingnan nyo ka-blendable. Pang eyelids na din yan. Ano ka ba? Diba, bongga? 3-in-1 na webs. Finalize ko lang yung look na to and I'll show you my top 4 shades. So, here's the final look, mga be. Again, this is my favorite shade, M12. Wait lang, be. I figure out na kapag nag-set siya sa lips, nagiging siyang transfer-proof. Grabe! Try nga natin kung waterproof din. Yun, be. Tapos si tissue. Uy, walang transfer! So, be, ito yung first ever bullet lipstick na
So what exactly is a toner pad? Let me introduce you to the basics of toner pads. First off, toner pads are used after day and night cleansing, and they are the first step in your skincare routine, used 24/7 every day. Especially Mediheal offers a range of 7 types of toner pads tailored to your skin concerns, and each toner pad comes with different special sheets. Plus, it includes tweezers for hygienic use. Now, let me show you our toner pad lover team's favorite, the Metacasicide Blemish Pad. When you take out a toner pad soaked with enough essence, you'll see this gauze pad for mild exfoliation. See how tightly woven the fabric is. When applied to the skin, using the built-in tweezers, it adheres perfectly. You can simply wipe it off, or leave it on for about 5 minutes as a quick sheet mask for soothing irritated skin. It won't fall off. After removing the pad, gently wipe your face to reveal smooth glass skin. The glow is perfect, isn't it?
Nakita na naman ako sa TikTok shop and itong Bay Free na thickening eyebrow mascara. So perfect to sa mga walang kilay like me. So let's start. So ito siya sa loob. Ayan. So para siyang may mga fiber. So sa mascara ganito yung gusto ko kasi mahaba talaga yung pilik mata. Pero ito is pang kilay. So this is the before and after. And transfer proof siya. And waterproof din. So natapos ko na rin yung kabila. So ito na yung ating kilay. So kahit ilang content na nagawa ko, hindi pa rin siya naghuhulas. O diba? So kung gusto mo ito, ilalagay ko dito sa ating yellow card.
ang ganda ng pagka-nude. And of course, ang ating president na din lustre, tignan niyo yung lips niya dyan. Ang ganda, di ba? Kaya natin ma-achieve yung ganong lips gamit itong Intense Mystic Kiss Color Lock Matte Lipstick ng O2O. Meron silang 8 shades. And ito yung swatches. By the way guys, twister cup to, kaya secure na secure yung product sa loob. Tatlong shade na close enough dun sa tatlong picture na pinakita. Ito yung closest shade ng kay Rihanna, M14. Ito yung kay Sara Labati, M11. Ang ganda! And ito naman yung kay Nadine, M14. Ganda, diba? And this is my favorite shade among them all. This lipstick is transfer-proof and smudge-proof. Walang na-transfer! And of course, waterproof to. Walang nag-transfer and super long-lasting. So kung gusto niyo i-try itong long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof, and transfer-proof na lipstick, andyan yung link sa yellow bag and mag-checkout na kayo. Go!